Alright, my friends, here we go. Another anti-cooking presented by gobanban.com. And today comes the Ghetto Lasagne. And yeah, it's made from cheese, bolognese sauce, and this gnocchi, whatever, and hot sauce. So here we go. The first thing is we open up the bolognese sauce, and I always cut stuff. Here we go, and we drop some of the sauce into this microwave glass, and now we spread it like this. And here comes the first layer of cheese, and this is like different cheeses, and I choose this one, which is Edam, I think, at the bottom. So yeah, double layer, doesn't matter. Now comes more, it smells good, more bolognese sauce, and we spread it over again. So now comes the gnocchi, this potato things layer. I know it's not in real lasagna, it's not in there, but it's my lasagna, so it's okay. The good thing in anti-cooking is you can do whatever you want. And now maybe we add the hot sauce to the gnocchis. So. And my mouth is watering. And more of this, and we need to spread everything because these things are very dry and they need something wet for the microwave, otherwise it's not good. My English skills today are very high. And now comes the last layer of cheese, and we take it from the middle. It makes sense because it's 3 different cheeses in one, so in the middle is maybe something else. And now we put the rest of the bolognese sauce onto the dish. Right, I think it's thumbnail time. So this is a wonderful thumbnail. Will attract millions of views. And yeah. Now we put the lid on. And this is very important. This has to be open. And now I have to estimate the time. So this is, how much is this? This is a lot, 370. So I put also the gnocchis in. Maybe how much was this? Half of them? 400. Let me think about it. Then 570 with the cheese, 600. So I think let's give it a good, I would say let's give it 5 minutes, 600 watts, and let's see what happens. Alright, so yeah, I microwaved it, and really looks strange down there. And it totally smells like this tomato sauce. Maybe 5 minutes was too much. I think it was too much. And it also made very strange sounds. And yeah. Anyways, let's try it. Let's try my anti-cooking dish. Alright, my friends, here we go. Now comes the moment you all are waiting for, the tasting. Or you are all waiting for the checkout. Let's check it out. And here we go. And as you can see, it's more like a soup. Oh, this is funny. I make this a thumbnail. It looks more awesome. Alright. So let's get it out. And yeah. Now the cheese makes this problematic. But it's good if you have a scissor. I always cut stuff. And let's try it. Delicious. It's totally tasting like the sauce, and I put the hot sauce in, and the hot sauce definitely gives it better vibes. Nice combination. Unfortunately, these gnocchi things don't really work out in the microwave. Are still dry on the inside. Well, I need a replacement for these things, but otherwise this is an awesome dish, and I like the hotness of the hot sauce. I will cut you one of the gnocchis. Let's do it. Here we go, my friends. So, let's do it. Alright. I always cut stuff here. And normally these are, I think these are cooked in water. I also already steamed them inside the microwave, but with this dish it doesn't work really. Can you see it? It looks here inside it's dry. It's a little bit wetter than the original, but time was not enough. Or maybe you should wet them up. I should wet them up first and put them wet inside. This would be a better idea. But anyways, do you want me to make a 2.0 of this? Or, yeah, with wet gnocchis? Let me know. Otherwise it's over. And I'm eating up, of course. This is my dinner today. Yeah, who of you wants to be invited to a dinner? Last time Auntie Cooking somebody said it's good that I don't cook for somebody else. Do you want me as cook? Let me know. Yeah. Thanks for watching, my friends, and see you soon. Bye bye. This looks disgusting, but it's just like melted cheese. Okay, see you soon.